Hi viewers, if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If anybody have any doubt regarding any educational details, any online courses, please comment me in the comment box. I will try to. During this lockdown, there are so many opportunities are having, like providing free online courses or free webinars or free workshops. So try to utilize all these and try to enhance your skills and knowledge and try to implement. And main thing, try to update your resume by day. And if you have any doubts regarding resume preparation or how to prepare a resume, then feel free to ask in comment box. I will try to explain how. Coming to this video, the Coursera is providing free online certification courses. If anybody are interested, so don't skip this video and see full video. Okay, coming to this is the sample certificate of Coursera. If you complete the certification course full, then you will get certificate like this, and this is certificate, and this certificate has more value. And I have already done a video on which certificate has more value. If you want to watch that video, I will provide link in the description box. Okay, you can watch that video. My channel, don't forget to subscribe. One good news for you all, I will show here. This is the Coursera website which I am showing here, and they are providing free courses for the college students with free of cost. They are, you don't need to pay money anything for the registrations or anything. No need to pay money. They are providing for free because due to this corona effect or due to this corona, they are providing free for you. So try to utilize this opportunity, and at least try to do at least one course on this, because this Coursera is the best website to do online courses, and this certificate will be best. The certificate will be benefit for you if you courses or they are providing, which are the courses they are providing free in this Coursera website for the college students. I will definitely show all the courses. Try to utilize this opportunity and don't skip this video, and try to see full the video. If you are interested, see the full video, otherwise skip this video, no problem. And this is mainly for the college students. Otherwise, anybody are interested, you can register for this course video, or you can start enrolling for these free courses because it's free of cost. And start learning with a special selection of courses currently available for free. It is available for free. After 2 or 3 months, definitely they will not keep like this free for you, because the corona effect, mainly due to the corona, they are provided the course below to start learning. Your discount will be applied to at checkout. Offer is subject to change and valid through this year through 7th month. You can see here till 31 dates. So try to utilize this opportunity. And you can see a personal development. The categories here, they are mentioning categories. If you are interested in particular category, you can see through that category. Otherwise, you can go in category from computer science and data if you are interested in these data. Otherwise, you are not from computer science background, but you are interested in these kind of backgrounds. I will show for computer science mainly for you. And you can see here computer vision's basics and course is for free, and algorithms part 1, analysis of algorithms, and build your first Android app. See here, if anybody are interested in this Android developments, you can enroll for this because it is free of cost. You can see here, and algorithms part 2, and this algorithm is much more important for the programming also. It is one of the part in programming. And you can see here, and if you are more and more interested, and if you want certificate from Amazon Web Services, really, if you want certificate from this, you can start enrolling for this, because this certificate is more and more valid for you, because Amazon Web Services is the best top company. And you can see, if you want certificate from this, you can enroll for this. And these are, I think so, 8 hours or 20 hours like that. I'll show one for you. And you can see here introduction to programming. Okay, for example, I will show here about get started with AWS machine learning. I will show for this particularly. This is the site has been opened after clicking on AWS machine learning. If you are interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning, you can enroll for this. Otherwise, because these are two are much more similar, not more similar. And getting started with AWS machine learning, you can see here the rating they have given 4.5, and the top instructor who is going to provide the online courses for you, he is, and offered by AWS. Till now, 83,490 students has been enrolled. If you want to enroll for that course, just click on enroll button, then definitely will enroll for that course. So if you are all interested in particular courses, please comment me in the comment box. I will do more videos on these free online certification courses. Okay, if you like this video, click on like button. Okay, thanks for watching this video.